Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making crispy garlic baby spinach chips in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some baby spinach and it's organic, and I'm going to take 4 cups of it, a little bit over 4 cups. There you go. Okay, let's season it. We're just going to add some olive oil. Don't need to add too much, just a little bit. Okay, it's looking good. Move them around a little bit just so that the oil spreads around. And if you're tired of eating baby spinach as salad, you should give this a try. It's really tasty. Okay, the first thing we're going to add is some garlic powder. Turn them around. Just a little bit more, and then some onion powder. Okay, and now we're just gonna spread it around. Next we're gonna add some black pepper, but not too much, just a little sprinkle, and that's it. And then just stir everything around. You don't need too much black pepper unless you like black pepper. Okay, and then we're gonna add sea salt. Just sprinkle a little bit. You don't want it to be too salty. There you go. And that's it. And then just try to mix it up just so that the salt gets around and blends in with everything else. Now we're going to preheat the air fryer. Okay, now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to set it to 300 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 300 degrees. Let's put in the spinach. But before we do that, we're going to spray some olive oil into the basket, just so that it doesn't stick. And then we're going to take the baby spinach and we're just going to spread them all out into the basket. There you go. There you go. Make sure they're nicely spread out. And let's put it in. We're going for 12 minutes at 300 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good. Okay, let's take it out. This is optional, but you can add some grated Parmesan cheese. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Crispy garlic baby spinach chips made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching. It's pretty crispy too.